Introducing the 2025 GMC Canyon. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a well-built Canyon that's right-sized to fit perfectly into your modern lifestyle. Its quiet, well-equipped cabin offers the space, connectivity, and storage you want, while its impressive cargo bed and towing ability give you the utility you need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, remote engine start. Modern comfort blends with impressive capability in this can-do Canyon. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.